Protesters disrupted the Senate Finance Hearing Committee on the Graham-Cassidy health care bill today. The hearing had to be stopped and protesters summoned wheelchairs were removed by police. This as the Congressional Budget Office released new data saying millions will be left without insurance. Now here in the Valley, the bill has also met opposition, as Drew Marine reports.
Senator John McCain came out against the Graham-Cassidy bill on Friday, while protests were going on outside of his office. After the news, those had heart-to-heart conversations, sharing their fear over what's to come.
Originally, protesters came out to plead to Senator McCain to help. While outside McCain's Phoenix office, word came that he would vote no. But Senator Flake also came out on Friday supporting it.
Two senators, including Senator McCain, have announced opposition to it. I just wanted to say that I'm still in favor of it. I hope that we can get it across the finish line.
But as the day went on, it became less about protesting and more about sharing how the Graham-Cassidy bill would impact their daily lives.
I got a letter of medical necessity stating that I literally cannot use the other catheters. My insurance refuses to give me the catheters until I can get 2 UTIs. So I have to get 2 UTIs with the other catheters before they'll actually cover the ones that work for me. And then I can use, because I'm a quadriplegic, so I have limited hand function. I'm paying $1,000 a month just to pee.
I rely heavily on Medicaid for services like caregiving hours and stuff like that. And if the state was to switch to block grants for funding, eventually there'll be cuts to my services, which would make more burden on my parents who work full-time to be able to take care of me, and eventually overwhelm them to make me have to resort to living in a nursing home because I don't have any other option.
Protesters stressed that the bill can impact everyone.
I think everyone needs to understand that you can be walking across the street and be hit by a car and have the reality of needing medical care. You know, it's not, oh, I'm healthy and young. Like, I was 18 and I broke my neck. I was an athlete. I had everything going for me. You know, it can happen to anyone.
The bill's authors have made changes to the legislation, but it may be moot. McCain and Senator Rand Paul have said they will vote no. And less than 2 hours ago, Senator Susan Collins says she will also vote no, which could kill the bill. Drew Marine, Cronkite News.